BioSpray Plus is the combination of several amino acids using biotechnology. It helps to stimulate the pituitary gland located at the lower part of the brain to secrete the human growth hormone HGH into our body naturally. Then, the liver converts the HGH into IGF-1. BioSpray Plus helps in cell regeneration and strengthens every function of our body. It contains an additional ingredient, which is the cholesterol's liquid. High in nutritional values, it keeps your body healthy and energized. With BioSpray Plus, you can maintain and regain your youthfulness.
Subscribe our Shadhin TV and visit our website, please.